Okay, welcome back mga bossing. This time, on this episode, I'm going to share to you guys what I got from Dollarama. Recently, they got a lot of cool toys that they sell it in their toy section. But unfortunately, just to say a few things, they actually selling human origins there, but for some reason, I don't find any human origins in the neighborhood. I mean, like that close, but Dollarama that's close by to me. But I guess we got a lot of what do you call that? Lots of resellers around me. So, but luckily, still I got a lot of cool toys, and I am hoping that I can complete it and find it and search, keep on hunting to complete all those cool toys. Okay, so here you go guys, I'm gonna show it to you guys now.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Here you go. So yeah, never mind the Amazon, I just put it there. So this one, they already got a lot of these going on, and I'm just too late to start collecting them. I think they're running out of these stocks of the other characters. I usually see this Shota and Elgiro. Izuku is already hard to find, and some other cool characters from My Hero Academia. So yeah, okay, one more time. This is a McFarlane version. That's why it's animation from the US. Yeah. Overall, it looks good. I think it's still nice to have it, collecting it. And as you can know, I mean, you know, already started collecting this one. So they released a lot of versions again of this Marvel Legends Kenner by Hasbro, of course. So this I just pick up from my last hunting, but I'm really hunting for human origins. But still cool to get this, a lot of this one. It's already hard to find a store that you can get this. So I already have this one, but I get another one. Yeah. Okay. I like this Moon Knights. I'm glad I found one of these. Okay. And yeah, of course, the Spider-Man. Okay, Black Widow, Thor, and Black Panther. So I got quite a bit of you know, major characters here. So that's a nice wave. Yes, and this one is I really tried to collect and complete it. So they got released 8 version of this one, but I only found 5. So hopefully I got the last 3 soon, sooner than later, or else I'm really desperate to maybe get it in the resellers. I hope not, but I'm still not looking how much they're selling it now, but for sure they also get it from Dollarama. So as you can see, it's only, everything here is $5. Okay, the Mega Tiger Sword, Dino Mega Sword. They released 2 of these. I think the other color is just under the anime color, so I like that one. Yeah, when this is one of those when Hasbro decided to make everything on the box without plastic packaging, right? So plastic free packaging, I think that's their downfall right now. The fans is having an issue of if they cannot see the toys. So yeah, I got two of these. I really want to unbox one of these. So okay, let's fix this one first. Okay, so why not, let's all put it down a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And by the way, I got another one for $5. Dollarama. This one is really cool. It's Suku. I keep on saying, but maybe it's Suku. Yeah. You got the playset, the Sports Festival Arena. Okay. And this one, I just want to show you guys and share it to you. So I will unbox this one. I was hoping I get another copy of the other and complete a 2 set. One I just gonna keep unbox. I gotta keep in the box, and the other I can open it. Okay, so oops, there's one more. Okay. Okay, so there you go. Oops. There's some manual here, I guess. Or maybe not. I don't know, maybe they're just required by the government, so they have that. So there's like a backdrop diorama here. It's included. Okay, so they got that is not those like tape version. So cars are good, nice looking gimmicks. Diorama here, no more. And the toys is packaged with the like a wax paper. Okay, the sword, nice. And the main figure. Oh, that was really cool. Nice. This is like the gold and black version. So we can twist the head. Okay, there we go. The arms, the hands. Nothing on the legs, just this one. But this one is really cool, really nice. I like the colorway of this one. Not too sure if Soul of Chogokin can release also this colorways. And this one is a cool colorways of Megazord, the Dino Megazord. Very cool. I like this one. So yeah. Oops. Nice. There's action buttons here. I guess not. Okay. Really nice. Okay, let's put the sword. And the picture is using left. Hands. Because most they are right. So okay, so there you go, guys. This is pretty nice backdrop. Yeah. So okay, here guys, this is my latest toy haul from Dollarama. I hope you guys like it, and if it's also close to any Dollarama around you and you still not discover this, well, run now and start collecting. This is really a cheap toys in original packages, right? It was only $5. I believe most of this is more than $10 for sure. Okay, once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, and maybe you can continue to support me by subscribing to my channel. So smash the subscribe buttons now, and why not also hit the bell icon so you're always updated to my Dollarama toy hauls and other stuff. Thank you guys for watching once again, and see you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.